Hey everyone, welcome back to Simple Life. Today, we're diving into a topic that can be a game changer: how to use rejection to your favor. Whether it's in your personal life, career, or creative pursuits, rejection is something we all face. But what if I told you that rejection can actually be a powerful tool for growth and success? Let's explore how. First things first, let's redefine rejection. Most of us see it as a negative experience, but in reality, it's just feedback. It's an opportunity to learn, improve, and ultimately, get closer to where we want to be. Here are some valuable lessons on how to use rejection to your favor. Lesson 1. Embrace rejection as a learning experience. Embrace rejection as a learning experience. Instead of feeling defeated, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Maybe it's a chance to refine your skills, improve your approach, or understand what your audience or employer is looking for. Every rejection brings with it a lesson, so let's make the most of it. I remember when I first started this channel, I faced countless rejections from brands and collaborators. But each no taught me something new. I learned to improve my pitch, create better content, and understand my niche. Without those rejections, I wouldn't be here today. Lesson 2. Build resilience and confidence. Rejection builds resilience and confidence. Every time you bounce back from rejection, you become stronger and more confident. It's like a muscle that gets stronger with each workout. So, the next time you face rejection, remind yourself that it's making you more resilient. Here are some practical tips to build resilience. Don't take rejection personally. It's often not about you, but about fit or timing. Keep a rejection journal to track your experiences and what you learn from them. Surround yourself with a supportive community that encourages you to keep going. Lesson 3. Use rejection as motivation. Lesson 3. Use rejection as motivation. Instead of seeing it as a setback, use it as fuel to work harder and smarter. Many successful people faced numerous rejections before achieving their dreams. Their secret? They used rejection as a stepping stone to success. Did you know that J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter was rejected by 12 publishers before becoming a global phenomenon? Or that Walt Disney was told he lacked imagination? These stories remind us that rejection can be a powerful motivator if we choose to persevere. Lesson 4. Reframe rejection as redirection. Lesson 4. Reframe rejection as redirection. Sometimes, rejection is the universe's way of guiding you towards a better path. When one door closes, another opens. So, trust that rejection might be redirecting you towards something even greater. To sum it up, rejection is not the end. It's an opportunity. Embrace it as a learning experience, build resilience, use it as motivation, and see it as redirection. By doing so, you'll turn rejection into a powerful ally on your journey to success. Thanks for watching, and remember, every rejection is a step closer to your dreams. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Simple Life, and share your own experiences with rejection in the comments below. Until next time, stay positive and keep striving. 2.